You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names: Polish surname. If you want to learn more confusing names and vocabulary from Polish, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got many more coming up. Polish pronunciation: Przybylski. Przybylski. English pronunciation: generally can be pronounced different ways depending how each family pronounces it in English. Przybylski or Przybylski. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.